Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to file your DoorDash taxes on TurboTax. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open TurboTax and log it into your account. Once you log in, you will have to go to Tax Home and go to Income and Expenses, then click on Review. And you need to know that this will work even on Uber, DoorDash, or any other services. So simply choose the first option, self-employment income and expenses. Simply click on review and you will just have to go through all these steps. The steps are very easy and simple. You just have to click on edit or review and change the values to what's suitable with you, and simply go through each step, fill in the gaps, click on continue, and make sure to give them all the correct data. Then you are all done. And this is how we can actually file your DoorDash taxes with TurboTax. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.